back to my channel, Chevy Blossoms. I know, it's been an entire year, but I'm back. You know, things happened, but I'm well. Back with a restart, refresh, and we just gonna jump into everything and get the ball rolling. So, this year I'm gonna take part in VLOGMAS, and I just want to let you guys know before you watch, I don't celebrate Christmas, and I just want people to normalize that it's okay if you don't celebrate Christmas. Like, you don't have to like, oh, why, and you know, be like that with people. But anyways, I don't celebrate Christmas, so my Vlogmas is basically gonna be like a little different, just not all Christmassy like, you know, other people. It's just gonna be me enjoying what I enjoy, doing what I do, with family, friends, and you know, just my family life and whatever. So yes, that's what my Vlogmas is gonna be about. That's what my channel is gonna be about. Anything that I just enjoy. So yes, this vlog, I should say, is gonna be Vlogmas 1 and 2. Since I'm starting a little bit late, and the next one is gonna be 3 and 4, and then 5 should be like by itself, and I'll be caught up or whatever. So yeah, if you want to see what I'm gonna be getting into, then continue to watch. So firstly, I need to take my vitamins before Daddy kills me. I hate pills. I hate pills. Ugh. The taste of it, sometimes it's like I be having to hold it like right there in my mouth, and then I don't know. Ugh. And I have to fill my mouth up with mad water, so like I can't feel like the pill is there, and then I'll hold it, because if I swallow it right away, like I'll throw up. It's so weird. And then I have to drink like more water, because like I don't know. Ugh. Anyways, okay, so what we're gonna get into in this vlog, I'm gonna do some laundry. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take you with me on my behind the scenes like photo shoot, because I'm working with this brand and I'm so excited about it. Like, you know, somebody like little old me, like it's so weird. I don't know, but this amazing brand started working with me, and I'm just happy for the opportunity, honestly. Like, never thought in a million years, like, you know, it might not be anything big to anybody else, but for me it's like, you know, you never, sometimes you do stuff and you just don't feel like people see you, you know. So when they reached out to me, it was just like, wow, okay, I guess I'm going in the right direction. Like, you know, like I'm worthy to be seen. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but yes. So I'm gonna take you behind the scenes with that. It's with me and Daddy, because everything I've been doing so far is just been me and him, because I don't have a team. Yeah, humble beginnings. So it's gonna be that. I'm gonna do some house stuff. One of my sisters, it's her birthday, so I went to her get together. So I'm gonna show you guys that also, and you know, just have a little chit chat with y'all. But yeah, so laundry time. And oh, I want to show you this thing that I do. It's super weird, but I don't know if anybody else does it, but hold on. So went out last night, or anytime I go out, and I wore these shoes. They're so cute. They're from Ego, as a matter of fact. They're from Ego. They actually came with like strings, but I didn't like it with the strings, so I cut it and I just made them into like super cute mules. Yeah. You know, sometimes you see a cute shoes, you like it, but you don't like the exact style. So, you know, why not make it your own? Anyways, the weird little thing that I do is, well, this part isn't weird, but there's no shoes allowed in our home. We have Caribbean upbringing, so as soon as you enter in someone's home, you take off your shoes. Like, that's what we do. Other cultures probably have it too, but I'm just saying. So once I come home, if I'm not too tired, I always wipe off the bottom of my shoe, because sometimes before I go out, I like to try on my outfits. And in trying on your outfits, you need the whole entire look, honey. So that includes the shoe. And I don't want to like be trying on the outfit and like walking up and down with dirty shoes. So what I do so that I can always try on my outfits and I'll be okay is I get a wet paper towel, spray whatever on it or whatever, if it's not that bad, and I wipe off the bottom of my shoe every single time. Shoes, sneakers, doesn't matter. I wipe off the bottom of my shoe and I just let them dry, and then I put them back in the closet. Do y'all do that too? Cause I don't know. I don't like, you know, outside shoes. Like, ew, you're tracking back dirt on the inside. And then I know, like, you know, when you try on your outfits and stuff, like, it would be redundant to say, come in the house, take off your shoes, put back the dirty shoes in the closet, and then when you try on your outfit before you go out, you put back on the same dirty shoes. You know, like, it would be just stupid, you know? So, you know, wipe it off to alleviate all that mess. And that's it. That's the one of the weird little things that I do. Do you guys do it too? Let me know in the comments below. And now when you try on your stuff, you just clean house, clean shoes, clean everything. So, alright. I'm just saying. Okay, so laundry is getting done. I'm gonna hang these up, and I have to put these on Poshmark.
You talking to me?
No.
Cause I'm about to say I just walked in the door. I was talking.
Yes, I have to put these on Poshmark. I don't have as many things on Poshmark, but I'm still gonna link it below, so y'all could, if y'all want to pick this little cute number up, you can. I have two of them. One is one style and one is another style. One is completely new, never worn. But when I got it, most times when I get stuff, I don't know, I have a tendency of doing that. Like I just pop off the tags or whatever. So one is worn and one is like brand new. But I'm gonna put them up on Poshmark and y'all can let me know if you wanna purchase or whatever. I've also been like cleaning out my closet, transitioning my closet. So I should have a few more things to go up on Poshmark. But yes, that's it. Because honestly, we've been working like, me and Daddy, we've been like working super hard at home. So all this stuff is pretty much done. I don't really have anything to do other than the laundry, which is good for me because then I can relax more and deal with focus on what I have to focus on. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I have something else that I'm doing, or I have something else to say. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey guys, so I realized that I didn't officially end the vlog. So I'm jumping back on to end it. As you can see, I am tired. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little sneak peek of my little ordinary life. What did I do? Recap. Laundry, the behind the scenes. I did a little makeup and then for the shoot. And then I went out after to the get together birthday party, and we chit chatted a little bit, and I think that's it. But it was super fun. Like, I really enjoyed talking to you guys, and I really enjoyed y'all keeping my company. So this is the end, but not forever. So don't forget, this is day Vlogmas, no, Chevimas 1 and 2, and 3 and 4 will be coming tomorrow as well. Tomorrow meaning, or today meaning Sunday, because it's officially Sunday right now. So I'm gonna release a Chevimas 1 and 2 today, which is Sunday, but early, and then I'm gonna release 3 and 4 a little later on. Yeah, so hopefully I'm up to date. I'll be up to date, I guess. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe so you could be a part of the Chevy Blossoms family. And I'll see you in the next one.